Shopify is a Canadian multi-valued e-commerce communication headquartered in Ottawa. Shopify is name of it's a private e-commerce platform for online stores and retail point for sales system. The Shopify platform offer online retail a suite of services including payment, marketing, shipping, and customer engagement tools. Types public trade as tax shop, Nasa shop, ISN industry founders headquarters in Ottawa area serviced worldwide services online shopping revenue 5.6 billion to in 2022. Net income is 3.4 billion in 2002. Total assets 10.76 billion. Total equity at 28.24 billion. Number of employees 11,000 plus employees. Website www.shopify.com. The company reported that it more than 2 billion business in approximately 175 countries using its platform as of December 2022 geographically dispersed as followed: 55% North America, 25% Europe and the Middle East and Africa, 15% of Asia Pacific, Australia and China, and 5% of Latin America, Mexico and South Africa. According to Bolt, with 1.58 million websites run on the Shopify platform of 2021, according to W3 Tax, 4% of the top 10 billion websites use Shopify. The total gross merchandise volume exceeded US 197 billion for calendar 2021 as of July 2022. Shopify among the top largest 20 public trade Canadian companies by market history. Shopify was founded in 2006 by Tobias Luckett and Scott Lake after attending the Opel Snow Devil and online store for snowboarding equipment. Dissatisfied with the existing e-commerce product on market, like a computer programmer by trade insisted built its own like used the open source web application framework Ruby on Rails to build Snow Devil online store and launched it after 2 months of development. The Snow Devil founders launched the platform as Shopify in June 2006. Shopify created an open source template language called Liquid, which is written by Ruby, and since 2006 in June 2009, Shopify launched an application program interface API platform and App Store. In API allows developers to create applications for Shopify online store and then sell them on the Shopify App Store. In 2010, in April 2010, Shopify launched a free mobile app on the Apple Store. The app allows Shopify store owner to view and manage their store from iOS mobile devices. In 2010, Shopify started its build a business competition in which participants create a business using its e-commerce platform. The winner of the competition received cash prizes and mentorship from